Guys, welcome back to my new video, and in this video I'm going to be showing you how to perfect the perfect ink pen eyeliner. If you guys want to see how I do this, keep on watching. For this video guys, I'm going to be using the Maybelline Master Precise Ink Pen Eyeliner. I've been using this for the past 8-9 months and I love it. It gives me the best results. Let's get started on the tutorial guys. To perfect the wing, start with the lower lash line and aim to line it with the outer brow line. Now move to the midpoint and connect it with the outer lash area, then finally moving to the inner lash line. Starting with the lower lash line first helps me avoid any globs and it's much easier for me to do. I always start with a thin line and then draw over them to make it thicker. Repeat over the lines to achieve the perfect line. I'm going to leave that to you guys to decide, as the thickness of the line depends on what you guys are looking for. Here's my final look guys. I prefer my line to be thinner than thicker, and I always leave the thicker liners for fancier events. So there you have it guys. This is how I wing my ink pen eyeliner. If you guys like the video, make sure to give it a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel as well. And make sure to leave comments if you guys like the video. If you guys have any other techniques or suggestions, you can always leave them in the comments below and I'll be sure to check them out. Thank you so much for watching guys, and thank you, and see you guys next week.